I kind of want to go over how to build your own FFGL plugin for Resolume. So I want to kind of demystify it. I don't want to necessarily look at the code because I'm not the person to tell you how it's written at all. I just want to go over what you need to get it set up on your system. So currently I'm on my Mac, and yeah, let me first go over what you need. So let's go to GitHub, Resolume, FFGL. So this is the repository you'd want if you want to start building your own FFGL. In order to download this repository, you can download this zip, but that's not really what you want to do. You want to get Git Kraken. Git Kraken is a Git client. Yeah, a Git client. It helps you navigate the world of Git, which is kind of confusing at times. So let's open a Git Kraken. Actually, let me just clone this one. So I want to clone this one. Let's copy it. Command C, copy it. Just copy the link. Go to Git Kraken. Cool. This is Git Kraken. This is the software. You want to clone a repo or a repository. Let's create a different folder for it because I already have it installed. And let's paste the URL. Clone the repo. It's cloning right now. Let's open it. Cool. So now you get a great overview of what's been happening with this repository, with all the commits, all the versions. This is pretty important because right now this repository is set for Resolume 7. So if you want to build your FFGL using this repository or this branch right now, it doesn't work for Resolume 6. So what you want to do is just double click with your mouse. This is the same for Windows. Double click on the FFGL 1.5. Check out that branch. Check out successful. Great, cool. So let's open up Finder. Open up the desktop. Open up the repository. You'll find a folder that's called build. And you'll find, in my case, a folder that's called OSX because I'm on a Mac. And here we find the next piece of software you want to download. That's Xcode. If you want to develop C++ software, Xcode is a great IDE. I haven't really used anything else. Let me just show you why. So let's open up the Xcode project. It's basically the only one that has an icon like that. Open it. Alright. So I'm not going to explain Xcode. It's really useful to get yourself informed, watch some tutorials online. Basically, if you want to write your own FFGL, you need two basic things: an understanding of what an IDE is, work your way around Xcode or Visual Studio in Windows' case, get to know C++, take a basic course. There are a couple of like Udacity. They have so let's just sign in real quick, whatever. So let's say I want to, right, yeah, here's a course, C++ for programmers. You can follow this course for free. It takes you through, yeah, the basics of what C++ is, what all these weird stuff means. It kind of, yeah, if you want to demystify it, this is the way to go. Watch some tutorials, get informed. That's not what I want to do right now. Basically, I want to build an FFGL in Xcode. So on the left hand side you have a couple of folders, and I want to go to, well, yeah, it's already structured in a great way. You have this folder called source plugins that generates, well, that actually builds a source FFGL. And you have an effect plugin called add subtract. You probably already know it if you're a Resolume user. So let's say we want to build this this FFGL, add subtract. Pretty basic. We already see two errors. FFGL H is not found, angled, use quotes instead. Okay. Kind of didn't want to go over this honestly, but let's get rid of the error codes real quick. So right now the target is set on all. We don't want it on all. We just want to compile add subtract. My Mac, great. Let's go to product, build. Build failed, but why? I'll just go over the errors. Include FFGL. It wants you to use quotes instead. Cool. Let's build it again. Build. Failed. Needs more quotes. Command B is for build. Build failed. Needs more quotes. Build. Build succeeded. Okay, so let's go into the desktop FFGL. We have a new folder called binaries. Debug. Add subtract bundle. Did kind of build everything. Okay, so let's get rid of these bundles. That's the product. Let's build it again. Yeah. Right now it's just add subtract. Cool. And basically what you do is copy it over into the documents, Resolume Arena 6, extra effects. I already have it, but yeah. Paste it in there. Open up Arena. And it's add subtract example. There it is. You can throw it on whatever. Let me get rid of this one. And here you go. That's your compiled FFGL. So yeah, again, if you want to go over what the fuck is happening, it's a good read. Check out the CPP files after you've done some basic C++ tutorials. Look over the CPP files. Like, there's lots of comments that can help you out. What's happening? It took me a couple of weeks actually, just looking, experimenting with it. Yeah. If it doesn't compile, don't worry. Just look at the error code, try to fix what you did, and yeah, good luck. That's it. Cool. Bye.